So this one is for high-speed chicken feed. I believe that's what his name is, Brandon. Yeah, he told me if I don't do a smoker's cough, I spill more on the table than I do in here. That's fine. I'll throw the stuff away. If I don't do a smoker's cough, he's going to comment smoker's cough on every video that I post. A smoker's cough is Jägermeister. This table is really shaky. With mayonnaise. I'm assuming they call it the I'm assuming they call it the smoker's cough because you cough like a smoker after you drink it. Oh, gross. Oh. Yeah. Fuck. I don't want to. Smoker's cough. Fuck. Oh my God. You're welcome, Brandon. Fucker. Oh my God. Oh, no more. No more, bitch.